Hi, you're on the CarTools channel. Let's check out the new selection of products. Links to all products are in the description below the video. Dive into the depths with the Fourq underwater fishing camera, a cutting-edge tool for anglers of all levels. Boasting a 5.0-inch HD 1080p LCD display, this camera offers crystal-clear underwater views, ensuring you never miss a moment beneath the waves. Equipped with a 10,000 mAh battery, it delivers over 20 hours of continuous use, perfect for long fishing trips. The camera's IP68 waterproof rating and 12 IR lights enhance visibility in dark waters, making it ideal for ice fishing or exploring murky lake bottoms. With an easy-to-use design, 100 feet durable cable, and portable carrying case, it's not just a gadget but a reliable fishing companion. Whether it's a gift for a loved one or an addition to your fishing arsenal, the Fourq underwater fishing camera is a game-changer for anglers seeking to elevate their fishing experience. The SKEAP digital fish scale is your ultimate companion for accurate and effortless weighing, whether you're an avid angler or a traveler. This scale is engineered for precision, with high-precision sensors delivering results within 0.01 ounces/0.001 kilograms increments, accommodating up to 110 pounds/50 kilograms. Its ergonomic design features a durable ABS plastic handle, rubber-coated for a comfortable, pain-free grip even with heavy loads. The scale's multifunctionality shines with features like unit conversion, data lock, auto-off, and tare functions, all illuminated by a backlit LCD for clear readings day or night. The Piscifun Speed X fishing line winder revolutionizes line spooling with its unique unwinding feature, allowing for easy correction of overspooling without manual rewinding. It incorporates a noise-reducing conical adapter compatible with spools of 0.39 to 0.98 apertures, ensuring a quiet and smooth operation. The winder's clamp can accommodate up to 4.13 wide spools, and the adjustable aluminum middle handle enhances durability and adaptability for various spooling needs. Designed to accommodate spinning, cast, and spin-cast reels, the Speed X winder is a versatile tool for anglers seeking efficiency and convenience in their fishing setup. The PLUSINNO 253/397-piece Fishing Accessories Kit is a comprehensive collection tailored for avid anglers. It boasts an extensive range of tackle essentials, including jig heads, offset worm hooks, various weights, swivels, snaps, and more, making it perfect for targeting species like bass, trout, catfish, and crappie. The kit's double-sided tackle box features adjustable dividers on one side and a high-density slotted EVA base on the other, providing superior organization and protection for your gear. The Reelsonar iBobber is a portable, wireless Bluetooth fish finder that enhances your fishing experience with cutting-edge technology. With a depth range of up to 135 feet and over 10 hours of battery life, this compact device pairs seamlessly with iOS and Android apps to provide real-time sonar readings. It visualizes underwater objects and movements, displaying depth-tagged fish icons color-coded by size. Versatile in all weather conditions, whether in freshwater or saltwater, from shore or ice, the iBobber is a thoughtful gift for any fishing enthusiast looking to optimize their time on the water. The DEERFAMY ice fishing auger transforms your ice fishing experience with its efficient, motorized design, allowing for quick and easy ice penetration. This 8-inch diameter auger, available in lengths of 45/47 inches with 14/20 inch extensions, combines a lightweight nylon spiral blade and an aluminum stem for portability and durability. Its adjustable height ensures versatile use across different ice conditions. Compatible with a 1/2-inch drill chuck and optimized for drills with 725 Nm of torque and 550 RPM. The auger performs best with 20 to 24 volt drills. DEERFAMY backs this product with a 1-year return and exchange policy, ensuring customer satisfaction and support for any issues encountered. The Piscifun Fishing Tackle Backpack is a testament to quality and durability. Crafted from superior water-resistant 1200D nylon for enhanced toughness. With 86 meticulous sewing procedures, durable KAM buckles, and reliable SBS zippers, this backpack is built to last. It features 18 independent compartments, created from 11 areas with unique designs, offering ample space to organize all your fishing gear and essentials efficiently. Available in khaki, black, and camouflage, this backpack not only meets the practical needs of anglers, but also caters to their style preferences. The GOANDO Fishing Lures Kit is an essential collection for anglers, featuring lifelike lures with 3D fish eyes and realistic scale patterns that mimic living fish, enhancing their effectiveness in attracting prey. This comprehensive set is suitable for both saltwater and freshwater environments, catering to a variety of fish species. Whether you're fishing in the ocean, lake, or river, this versatile set ensures you're well-equipped for any fishing scenario. The X-Strike Fishing Chair is a robust and spacious choice for outdoor enthusiasts, especially suited for taller individuals with its large dimensions of 34/18 539 inches. Constructed with sturdy steel tubes, it supports up to 350 lbs, making it a reliable seat for various outdoor activities like camping and fishing. Unique features include adjustable legs for stability on uneven terrain and a detachable rod holder for convenience. Designed for comfort, it boasts a fully padded seat, back, and armrests made from breathable 420D polyester fabric, ensuring relaxation during fishing, camping, BBQs, or any outdoor gathering. This versatile chair is an essential addition to your outdoor gear, combining functionality with comfort. The Drasry 2 PCS Large Crab Trap, with its trio of 9-inch entrances, is expertly crafted for the capture of sizable crabs, making it a must-have for both amateur and professional fishermen. Its collapsible design, shrinking to 17.7 x 2.0 inches, ensures easy transport and storage. Constructed from durable 0.16 galvanized steel wire and 2 mm thick polyethylene, this trap promises both stability in water and resistance to the elements, suitable for both saltwater and freshwater environments. The flat bottom and easy access opening enhance its efficiency and safety during prey retrieval, making it an indispensable tool for your fishing expeditions. The KastKing Kalibrate Fishing Line Spooler is a game-changer in fishing gear. Crafted from robust amorphous polymer for unmatched durability against heat, chemicals, and impact. Its innovative design includes a built-in line counter for precise line management, ensuring you evenly distribute line between reels and achieve the perfect amount of backing. The patent-pending spooling tool is versatile, accommodating both spinning and casting reels without causing line twists. Its adaptable 3-position clamping system fits a wide range of rod diameters, and adjustable tension bands ensure optimal line tension during spooling. The Mossy Oak 3PC Fishing Tools Kit is a must-have for every angler, offering a comprehensive solution to a variety of fishing needs. This versatile set is ideal for both freshwater and saltwater environments, designed to be lightweight yet durable for any fishing scenario. The kit includes needle nose fishing pliers, made from stainless steel with a black PTFE coating for added durability, featuring a comfortable grip and a spring-assisted opening with a lock for easy use. The Setpower AJ30 portable refrigerator is a versatile and efficient cooling solution for travelers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Offering a spacious 32-quart capacity, this electric cooler is perfect for keeping your food and beverages chilled or frozen on the go. Notably energy efficient, it consumes less than 1 kilowatt-hour per day and boasts a fast cooling feature, capable of cooling from 77 to 32 in just 15 minutes. With a robust 3-year warranty on the compressor and a 1-year warranty on other accessories, coupled with top-ranking customer service and technical support. The KastKing Royale Legend EU Baitcasting Reel is upgraded for top performance, with a comfy, compact design. It's smoother and 30% tougher thanks to new tech. There are 2 speed options, 5.4 to 1 for slow and 7.2 to 1 for fast fishing. It's also lightweight at 7.2 ounces, making fishing easier. Plus, it's got a strong drag system and good braking for better control. The KastKing Royale Legend I is a sleek baitcasting reel, redesigned for smooth casting and durability. It offers fast and slow speed options, is super light, and has great drag and brake control. The Garmin Striker 4 Fish Finder combines clear-view scanning sonar for near-photographic underwater images with a simple, keyed interface for ease of use. It's waterproof, IPX7, available in various sizes, and ideal for marking and navigating to key spots. With CHIRP sonar for clearer fish arches and a built-in flasher, it's perfect for all types of fishing, supporting depths up to 1,600 feet in freshwater and 750 feet in saltwater. The Old Town Sportsman AutoPilot 120 is a top-tier motorized fishing kayak equipped with a GPS-enabled Minn Kota trolling motor for precise, hands-free navigation using a Bluetooth iPilot remote. It's designed to get you to your fishing spot quickly and keeps you in place with spot lock technology, freeing your hands for fishing. This kayak is feature-rich with customizable accessory tracks, a cushioned floor, tackle box, and multiple rod holders. The comfortable, removable textiline mesh seat and adjustable foot braces enhance your experience on the water. With a 12-foot length, 558-pound capacity, and weighing 152 pounds, it's built for convenience and performance. Paddles sold separately. The TYEPRO fishing knot tying tool makes tying fishing lines simple with its 4-step process: grip, glide, tie, and clip. Designed to eliminate the frustration and time consumption traditionally associated with knot tying, it allows anglers of all skill levels to secure their lines quickly and efficiently. This tool is not only a time saver, but also offers convenience in low light conditions or for those with visual impairments, enhancing the fishing experience by focusing more on the joy of fishing and less on the hassle of knot tying. The PLUSINNO floating fishing net is designed for the avid angler, featuring a 15.8 x 11.8 hoop with an 11.8 depth and a 16.7 handle for easy leverage. Its floatable design, thanks to foam padding, ensures it won't get lost if dropped in water, while the rubber-coated net is gentle on fish and resists snagging and odors. Lightweight at 12.5 ounces, with a foldable aluminum handle, it's easy to transport and store. Ideal for various fishing environments and suitable for both fresh and saltwater. This net is a perfect gift for fishing enthusiasts. The CRESEAPRODUCTS Jabo Dolphin is a high-speed RC bait boat designed for saltwater beach fishing. It offers precise control with the ability to set fixed directional distances for automatic navigation and bait dropping, ranging from 20 to 300 meters. The Dolphin can memorize up to 16 bait points for reuse in the same location, enhancing your fishing strategy. Its rechargeable remote with a built-in antenna simplifies operation, eliminating the need for frequent battery changes. Constructed with stainless steel components and a waterproof hull, it's durable for both salt and fresh water. The boat's innovative design ensures smooth travel and visual confirmation of bait release, with an automatic reset feature for the bait pin. The Beyond Fluorocarbon leader fishing line is crafted from 100% pure fluorocarbon, providing top-tier abrasion resistance and durability for pulling fish from challenging environments. Its virtually invisible underwater presence, due to a low reflective index, cleverly conceals the line from fish. This line is known for its exceptional knot strength and fast sinking rate, thanks to zero water absorption, making it a superior choice for anglers seeking reliability and stealth in their fishing endeavors. Thank you for watching, and please like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Also write in the comments which product you like the most. See you soon.